I know I said last week that we were doing the family weekend, but it's actually this weekend because it got postponed. So this kit is kind of perfect for it. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of October 21st through the 27th. And this is the kit that I'm going to be using this week. It's super cute, called Wicked Cute from Caress Press. This is just going to be a fun week. I can, at least the weekend. I'm trying to be optimistic about school. It's been a little challenging lately, but we're getting through it. And I'm trying to have a good attitude about everything. And this kit is super cute. I really like this a lot. It also came with some extra boxes. So, like, these are the extra ones, really. I guess I could use one of these, though. A different one. But I might want to use either one. It doesn't matter. I know I want to use this one for sure. And, like, this is pretty cute, too. And there's this box, this little flat lay, which is also adorable. But we'll just have to figure this out as we go. This is the dot marker I'm going to be using. It is called Island Coral. I just wanted to bring out some more of this color because there is a lot of pink and the black in here. So, you know, like, why not bring in another color? And this is my makselife planner. We are in Q4, so we are getting to the end of this planner, but launch is actually this week too for makselife, so that's exciting. Tuesday for everybody and Monday for Club Moxie. So that's going to be super fun this week. And it's going to be a fun weekend. If you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go plan with me, is the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before, and then I will fill you in as many days as I can with real life updates. And then at the end of the week, I will go ahead and add in some pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. So let's get this week set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi, which is super cute. I love how graphic it is, and the pop of the black when the spread is complete, it just really completes it. So I'm going to trim off what doesn't fit really quickly with my X-Acto blade and a metal ruler, and then I use the blade to lift up that little cut part, and then I'm going to put in the numbers onto the date covers. And I really love how certain kits include the numbers. That's just always just a little treat that I don't have to go find my own numbers. And then I'm going to put these across the top. I really like how they match the bottom washi because it just kind of creates some continuity with the spread, and these fit perfectly up there. And then we're going to go to full boxes. So I'm grabbing all of the boxes that are with this kit so I can see them all at the same time. And then I grabbed some for the spread. I'll add in some more as I build the spread throughout the week. But I love how many like sweet treats are in this spread. It's fun. And I like this double box. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with it. So I ended up lifting this box and I'm going to put it up at the top here. I thought about putting it across the coil, but I don't know. I just changed my mind. And then I'm putting in the weekend banner up there. I love a weekend banner. I know they're kind of outdated, but I still love them. And then I'm just using some glitter headers to fill in the space up top. And I'm bringing in more of that black just because it's kind of fun. And then I'm using the coral. It's not really coral. It's like an orangey coral to cover up the bottom two habits because I like 5. And then I'm adding in some of this cute deco up here because I had the room. The date covers are so thin that it gives me a little extra space up there, so I love that. And then I'm popping in this box over here for my favorite moment of the week. And then I wanted to include some deco like everywhere, but I just didn't have enough room. Okay, so then I'm grabbing some boxes here. So Monday and Tuesday were makselife release days, and so I wanted to mark those in just very simply up here at the top so that I remembered like that was happening. And then I'm using my dot marker to create some lists and some hearts for daily gratitude. And then just adding in my habits in the sidebar. These are the same habits, so I'm not going to go through them. They're just some kind of health and wellness goals. All of them actually are related to health and wellness. And then I'm checking my weekly actions to see if there's anything I need to move over right away. And then I'm just filling in labels and my to-do lists. It is Thursday and I'm home from work. It's been a bit of a stressful week. I feel like I say that every week. this year has just been wild. We've talked a lot about why, and I think part of it, like we kind of talked today about how the kids that we have now in high school are like still the COVID kids, but they're like the last batch of COVID kids, if that makes sense. Yeah, they're just like, I don't know, they're just off. And they just need a lot of help, and it's overwhelming for the teachers. It's overwhelming to me. Like, it's been a lot. It's been stressful. I'm trying to find and focus on the good moments and the good stuff that's happening, but it's been very heavy. I was gonna go vote this week, and I even got a sticker and everything. But I'm gonna go on Monday because I have Monday off because my mom's gonna be in town this weekend, and I just kind of want a day to reorganize everything and just get back on track. It's been so busy this week. When I drive by my polling place, which is like one of our local libraries, the parking lot's been packed. And what I'm hearing from people is that they've had to wait like an hour, even 2 hours after work, which is the only time I can go right now. But that's great because so many people are getting out and voting. Like, that's awesome. But I'm going to go on Monday when I have the day off, and I can just go in the middle of the day and hopefully only have to wait like 10 or 20 minutes. So that's the plan for my voting. Do you have a plan for your voting? I hope you do. If you don't, work on that. Okay, so this week is kind of strange because I did all my cleaning on one day again. I've been trying that off and on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It did happen to work this week. I did work out. When did I work out? This day. Today, I think I'm going to go for a walk. Yesterday, I just needed some time to work on my closet project, which has been on my list for a while now. Finally got that done. And then I just kind of relaxed a little bit. And hair washing is a whole thing when you have curly hair. So, yeah. So other things were the priority yesterday. But today, I think I'm going to go for a walk because that just feels nice. It's really warm outside. And then this weekend's going to be kind of cooler. So I feel like I should just go ahead and take advantage of that. But it's kind of windy outside, so I'm going to wait until like 6 or so. Okay. Today I needed to meal plan and order my groceries. Just go ahead and get that going. I probably need to do some goal brainstorming. This weekend I need to film my goals for November. And then let's just go ahead and add a couple more things here. I'm going to try to do most of my like weekend stuff on Monday, but we'll see. I don't know what we're doing these 2 days. I know we're going to the pumpkin patch, but that's like all I know. Or the pumpkin farm, which is like our annual tradition now. I don't know. So I'm just going to leave this blank a little bit, but I definitely need to work on goals. So I do not have anything done at all yet. And if you don't know, I usually do a goal series, my annual goal series, usually December, but last year I kind of started in this week, I think. And that worked out really well because the feedback I was getting was it was like going up too late. So here's what I've kind of planned things out a little bit. I hate that part one's going up on Thanksgiving. I might move this to Wednesday, just so it's not on Thanksgiving Day. But, yeah, this is the plan right now to do part one on, like, this week of Thanksgiving. And then and part one is, like, my word of the year, like, my list that I have narrowed down and my, like, reflections for the year. And then part two, which will be over here, and part three are kind of connected to each other. This is like my life compass and my intentions. That page in those pages in my goal prep work. And then part three is like my mind map where I break down my word of the year. And then part four is my annual goals. So I've done that for, I don't know, a while now. Since like 2019, I've been doing goal work on YouTube. So But I think the whole series thing started in 2020. Anyway, it's something that I really enjoy doing every year, and I always get a lot of good feedback and a lot of good responses and lots of like really good conversations in the comments and stuff, so I'm really excited for that. But I need to start prepping for that soon because it is coming up, and yeah, I need to get on that. So this is kind of the plan for next month, but I might switch a couple things around. Okay, anyway, oh my gosh, I'm like so scatterbrained because I haven't sat down with my planner and talked everything out in a while. Okay, so gratitude today. I'm gonna put my kitties because they just give me endless entertainment. They're just so freaking cute. Here's my black kitty. Oh, he's so cute. I love him so much. This is Teddy. And then I have my orange cat. And then I have my Dilute Tortie, who's a little bit older than them. They're just so cute. Okay, so this has been the most random check-in, but I'm gonna go work on some habits in my list here. Probably go out for a walk, get my mind right, and then I don't know when I'm gonna check in again. It may be Sunday, but I'm just not sure. Okay, it is Sunday, Sunday afternoon actually, and I have my pictures to put in, and we're gonna do that. I did add a few things to my list here. I feel like I've had a pretty productive day. My mom came over for like an hour or two a while ago to see the kittens, who are just growing so much. They're so big. But they were funny because Teddy came out right away and was like, "Hey, how you doing? What are you doing here?" And just playing and rubbing up against everybody. It was super cute. And then Auburn hid under the couch and never came out. I thought maybe she was going to warm up, but I don't know if it was having two people in the house because I haven't really had, well, I guess I have, but it's been a while since I've been around like multiple people besides like just my sister, and it was funny, but I was glad for them to come over and see the kitties because they're just so cute. They're playing like crazy right now, and hopefully they won't interrupt this video. Okay, so I've got all my pictures. We went to the pumpkin farm yesterday. I had lunch with friends, and we ended up sitting there for over 2 hours. No, 3 hours. That was crazy. And I kept trying to find like an in to be like, okay, well, I gotta go. And there was like no drops in the conversation. So I stayed the whole time. But it was good. We talked through a whole bunch of stuff about work, and like, it was good. I felt cathartic after that. And I don't know what's going to happen with school. It's been an interesting year so far. But I feel like we have such a good staff, and we just need to like lean into that, and it's going to be okay. But there's some things going on that are like, I can't really talk about right now, but I will when they are resolved. But yeah, it's just been interesting. I love this quote from Alex L. I saw her speak at Go Wild when I went, when it was in DC, and I just love her so much. I've been following her for a while, but it was really nice to see her speak. But I love that quote. This picture of my nephew Oren is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. He was so cute yesterday. He was so good. But I think by the time we got home, he was like over it, and he cried for like 2 hours. But he's so cute, so cute. And then my nephew Stellan was like being a model. Look at him. Oh, he was cracking me up. I was like, put your arm down, and he's like, no. And you know what? Do your thing, dude. Okay, let me get these pictures down, and then we'll finish everything up. Okay, there's a couple of little open spaces, but I do have some deco and like some glitter headers and stuff, so I think we'll use that. This deco is so cute too, so I just want to include some of this. Okay, so habits. I'm working on my water. I don't think I'm going to get to my steps. I forgot to put on my watch until like 10 a.m. this morning, so I'm behind. But the rest of this I will finish up today. Gratitude today, I'm going to put just my family because we had a really good day yesterday. I had a headache like at the beginning of the afternoon, but thankfully woke up this morning. I was good to go. So the only thing I need to get done today really is getting this Plan With Me updated. This one right here. I need to finish it in just a sec, and then I'll get it hopefully uploaded for tomorrow. If not, it'll go up late, and that's fine. But I know people get upset when they don't have their morning routine, because I've been told that before. Okay, favorite moment of this week. I'm going to say the pumpkin farm, because it was just a good day. Okay, and this spread is pretty much done. I really like it a lot. The colors are super fun. It's so cute, and I love all these pictures. I posted this on Instagram, but this is my nephew Grayson's school picture for this year. Cracked me up. Everyone I showed it to was like, oh, he's so surprised. But I just love all the pictures in here. My nephew Stellan, such a little model, and Oren's so cute. It was just a really good weekend. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you next time. Bye.